Hello everyone, we'll be taking a white sheet and paper and then we'll be making the branches of the tree over it. Now make the leaves with the green color and then using the clay we'll be making the flowers over it like this. Draw the small balls and paste it like this. And it's ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to make the grasses and it's done. Next, spread the green color clay like this. Now draw the lines over it using the spatula. Now after that, we'll be making few more as such. Now draw the stems and leaves with the green marker. Now take the pink color clay to make the lotus like this and make some dots over the leaf and it's ready. Don't forget to make some tadpoles and butterflies near it and it's done. Next, take a tissue paper, color it with the pink color. Now put a pink color clay to make the tree. Now we have to fill the tissue papers inside the clay with the help of the stick. Now after that, we'll be putting the clay to make the grasses. Spread it with the fork and it's done. Next, take a red color paper, cut it out like this and then paste them in the triangle shape. Now take the clay and outline it like this. Now put the white color clay along with it. Put the black color dots to make the seeds. Now put the linings with the clay like this and your watermelon is ready. Next, we have to take a white sheet, draw the branches and the stems of the tree. Now draw the leaves over it with the green color. Now take a red color paper to make the bird like this. Make few more as such and your birds are ready. Next, we'll be taking a black sheet and then we'll be drawing the swan over the white sheet. Now make the crown on the head of it. Now make its eyes, beak and then cut it and paste it like this. Now take the paper strips and paste it on the back of it like this and then make a moon on the top. Make some stems and leaves on the top of it like this with the clay and it's ready. Next, draw the lines to make the dinosaur like this. Now make the eyes and teeth of it like this. Don't forget to make the humps on the back of the dinosaur like this. Now color it with the green, orange and light yellow color like this and your dinosaur is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking the white paper and then we'll be making the dots with the fingers to make the cherries. Now we'll be making the stems of the cherries with the green marker and the leaves with the green marker like this and your cherries are ready. Next, we'll be taking a white sheet and then make the snowman using it like this. Now make the hat, eyes, nose of the snowman. Make its hands with the dry stick. Now put the clays around it to make the snow and it's ready. Next, take a blue sheet and then we'll be making a snowman on it like this with the white paper. Now make the hat of the snowman with the clay. Make its muffler, make its hands and put some cottons around it to make the snow and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking an orange, cut it from the between and remove the pulp. Now paste it on the sides of the leaf. Now make the eyes of the ladybird, make the patterns over it like this. To make the dots using the black marker, make its legs and your ladybirds are ready. Next, we'll be taking a red color paper, paste it. Now using the white color clay, outline it like this. Now we'll be putting the black color clay seeds like this to make it seeds. Now put the green color paper like this after cutting it to make the leaf of the watermelon around it like this and your watermelon is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, imprint your white hand over the sheet like this. Now turn it and then in the front, make the body of the cow. Make its eyes, nose and mouth like this. Now make its body on the back, make its tail, make some patterns on its body like this and your cow is ready. Next, take the water bottle caps, cut it from the betweens like this to make the petals. Now put the paper in the between and make the stems of the flower and it's ready.